Good day. We have problem today. During loading, our cargo compressor cannot start due to high triggered of our cargo receiver. Alarm high and high. They said that the expansion valve is not responding because 100% always. It means totally open, which is true, 100%. But we need to check if the expansion valve is the problem or the transmitter for the level of the receiver. Okay, the set point is 21, which means the cargo receiver must be maintaining 21%, controlling by our expansion valve. The output is 100. It means totally open. The expansion valve is totally open. 42, the actual level of the transmitter. We need to check if that is true because we don't have any reference or local level on our receiver. It's only digital. We need to simulate, and then I'll teach you fast and easy way. We go to the cargo receiver. This is the digital display. Only digital display on our receiver. 42.5%, that is the level, equivalent to 1296 mm. The high level is 800, equals to 34%. High is 39%. It means it's triggered the alarm. We need to evaluate if the level transmitter is the problem or the expansion valve itself. This is the best solution. We need to use a simulator. This is our simulator, 20 milliamps. Simulate 20 milliamps. It means this 20 milliamps is maximum level, equivalent to 100% of level. We need to remove the two wires for the transmitter so that the simulator acts as level transmitter. And then at the side, the display, only the 4 wires. Never mind that one, only these 2 wires. Check the expansion valve must be 100%. Always 100% is totally open. Our expansion valve reacts on 100%. And then we will go to HMI. We need to check. The actual is 100. That is the level. The 20%. And the output is 100. That is the opening of the actuator or expansion valve. Next, to confirm, 4 milliamps. That is for the minimum, 0%. We simulate level 0%, 4 milliamps equals to 4 milliamps. The expansion valve will totally close. As you can see, totally closed, and it is responding. Means the expansion valve have no problem. Okay, go to the HMI. Output is 0, same with the reaction of expansion valve. Actual 4 milliamps equals to 0, means good. We assure that the system is good, but the level transmitter is have a problem. Means possible this is the problem. This is new one at the top side, and the lower side is the old one. Maybe there is a problem on the sensing valve or the transmitter itself on the level transmitter. By the way, for the important is we can run this compressor as fast as we can. We do auto first because we observe 20 minutes, and the actual, it means the actual, that is the level of the transmitter, actual level. Again, it's different again the situation. Aqua level, it means it's empty, but the truth is there is a liquid on that receiver because the pipe below is have an ice. Okay, auto 0, the output is 0, means output is the expansion valve commands to close because the level is -1 or 0. Right now we change to manual so that it's run manually, or we run our expansion valve manually, so that the problem of the transmitter is 0 to 40 it cannot detect, but it alarms triggered on 42%. The actual is -1 or 0. That is the reading of the receiver during running, and there is a problem. Okay, right now we do manual and adjust the output 43, or so that we can do manual of the expansion until it's stable, or do it lower, and that's it.
If you learned from this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barco TV. Thanks for watching.